Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We have got an Hermès Bolide cosmetic pouch to show you today. So I'll talk you through the features. We have just got one zip top closure on there, and then inside we've got a lovely pillowy lining, fabric lining, and then one little flat pocket just there as well. The condition of this cosmetic pouch we have called the exterior good. You can see just on this leather trim there is a few signs of wear, and it's just starting to mark on that trim all around that base, and then there is just a little mark on the back as well on that fabric. You can see it is really tiny and barely noticeable, but it is just a little mark there, but for the most part it is in gorgeous condition on the outside. And I love this colour as well. The inside we've called excellent. There is no marks or anything like that for me to show you in there. It's just in a lovely condition on the inside. And again, the hardware is in excellent condition. There is no marks or signs of wear for me to show you on that silver hardware. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything or any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Hermès box, and then inside there we've got tissue paper as well, so it would make a good gift. If you wanted any exact measurements for this cosmetic pouch, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so it should take you directly to this Hermès. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. So if you love this, let us know. Send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, we will let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. As I said, exact measurements for this will be on our website. But I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". This is what it looks like when I'm holding it, and it is perfect size. You could definitely fit all your essential cosmetics in there. Makes a great bathroom cosmetic pouch, or perfect for holiday and travelling as well. So again, if you wanted more details, you can go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there and sign up to our newsletter, and you can get your welcome discount code through in your email when you sign up to our newsletter, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the how to sell with us page. So if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details for the process are on that page, so if you want to have a read through there, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.